How to log in with your email on the Fliki app using your iPhone. The perfect option if you sign up manually and want a smooth, secure login experience. Let's jump right in. Locate the Fliki app on your home screen and tap to open it. Now from the welcome screen, you will see options: sign in with Apple, sign in with Google, sign in with the email. To sign in with the email, tap on sign in with email and enter your email. Once you enter your email, tap on next. Now tap your password. Now once you have typed in your password, tap on submit. And you will be automatically redirected to your Fliki dashboard, where you can start turning scripts into voiceovers, generate AI videos, or pick from hundreds of realistic voices right on your phone. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.